with the assistance of one millionaire whom we will be highlighting in this video. If you've ever wondered why so many millionaires out there always seem to be making money on their ventures and have been hesitant to invest in Tesla or add to your existing shares, then this could be the video that helps you determine your course of action. In this video, we'll examine the opinions and views of prominent American stock investor Ron Baron, who just revealed something fascinating about Tesla. Ron Baron is the CEO of Baron Capital Management and one of Tesla's biggest shareholders. Let's get into the specifics and find out what Baron has to say about Tesla's revenue, its various ventures, and the prospects that lie ahead. Before we do that, make sure you enjoy this content. Baron's enthusiasm for Tesla has drawn attention and criticism, but he hasn't wavered in his belief in the company's potential. When it comes to attentively monitoring stocks, one cannot neglect to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications in order to remain informed about all that is occurring in the world of Tesla. Ignore the erratic swings in Tesla shares. The year-to-date performance has increased by an astounding 80%. The stock has lost 35% its value in the last 12 months, with its share price fluctuating between $381 and $100. Tesla's journey has been characterized by extreme volatility. Investors have taken notice of this roller coaster ride, as he revealed during a discussion that the company produced 310 zero cars in the most recent quarter. Some critics argue that this number should have been closer to 317 zero. But it's important to take into account the fact that supply chain issues and plant closures in China occurred during this period. Ron Baron urges investors to focus on the company's long-term prospects rather than focusing on the quarterly numbers and small variances. With its current production levels exceeding 1 million cars every quarter, it seems likely that Tesla will meet its goal of producing 20 million cars within the next 8 to 10 years, according to Ron Baron. Baron, who presently owns 1 million Tesla shares for his company, says he hasn't sold a single share, but he admits that he might do so on occasion if the size of his fund allows. Investments start to outpace the expansion of the business. In prior interviews, Ron Baron has expressed his unshakable optimism in Tesla, saying that investors should ignore short-term setbacks and concentrate on the long-term potential of the automaker. Investors in Tesla could find this advice to be extremely helpful right now, given the company has become a success story since its 2010 IPO and has produced remarkable profits. In the world of Tesla, an investment of $10,000 made during the IPO would be worth roughly $1.16 million today, a 100-fold increase. As of April last year, Ron Capital, his firm, had invested around $300 in Tesla, representing 12.8% of its total assets under management, or roughly $6.2 billion. Will this growth story continue, or will Tesla face mounting challenges from competitors in a tough market? Ron Baron, a true believer despite the stock's high volatility, confidently asserts his intention to hold Tesla shares for the next 8 to 10 years. The solutions lie in Ron Baron's perspective, and we eagerly await his thoughts. It's crucial to remember that his investment philosophy is centered on businesses that consistently expand their income by more than 15% a year and that are dedicated to reinvesting in their operations. He views these characteristics as promising signs of future success. In addition to being a confident Tesla bull, Baron thinks that leisure stocks have a lot of room to grow in the years to come. He acknowledged the poor performance of the stock market last year, but he stressed the need to think carefully about the reasons behind investing in particular stocks and comprehend the growth fundamentals of the business. Baron also recommended that investors be at businesses that have a competitive advantage, that is, businesses that make it harder for competitors to take market share from them. Baron is excited about Tesla because he believes the company has a significant competitive advantage, especially in the EV and general automotive industries. Tesla's dedication to consistent product its capacity to provide market-leading products at competitive prices has increased thanks to innovation in engineering and manufacturing methods. Baron is even more confident in the company's future because to its ability to handle cost increases and navigate supply chain interruptions. One major element that has driven Tesla's stock price is cost cuts. Man emphasized the extraordinary and still increasing demand for Tesla automobiles. Notwithstanding the broad market sell-off, Elon Musk's forecast of 20 million cars by 2030 and Baron's expectation of a $15 stock price by that time have further bolstered the company's optimistic view. Barron stressed how important it is that Tesla continue to grow, given its unmatched safety standards and potential for profit. He is convinced that Tesla will top all of the companies in the world in size and profitability over the next 10 years. According to Barron's calculations, Tesla should be able to produce 20 million cars annually or 5 million vehicles every quarter. At that point, the value of Tesla's automotive division would be comparable to the sum of Toyota and Volkswagen's values. The two biggest manufacturers in the world right now, Ben has continued to be optimistic about Tesla despite difficult market conditions, and he boldly claims that in 10 years, only SpaceX, the sister business of Tesla, will be a rival. Ron Barron has consistently backed Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, and he doesn't seem too concerned about Musk's choice to invest in Twitter because he thinks it will help Tesla's marketing efforts in general. According to Barron, Musk will continue to concentrate on the thing that really counts for Tesla and Twitter. At the Metropolitan Opera House in New York City, Barron Capital recently hosted its first annual gathering since 2019, which featured an interview with Elon Musk in front of 5,000 investors. In spite of the fact that the interview took place during a difficult year for the stock market, Barron focused more on Tesla's future trajectory than its current situation. He has made a number of long-term predictions for the company, estimating that in 4 years, the automaker will be able to produce 1 million cars per quarter, with the possibility of increasing that number to 5 million cars per quarter within 10 years. These forecasts have a substantial impact on Tesla's valuation. He also stressed that the company's bullish case is based only on its revenue from electric vehicles, leaving out other business ventures like robots, autonomous vehicles, and batteries. Despite this, he mentioned that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, thinks the company will have a greater impact on the auto industry. Barron acknowledged that a lot of developments are occurring at Tesla, making it difficult to keep up with the companies, although some market players view Tesla as a technology business with exposure to the automotive industry. Macy's conservative predictions give a margin of safety for his investment. The shares of the long-term investment firm may be significantly influenced by Tesla's AI skills and industry presence. Tesla's vertical integration approach and its potent supercomputer Dojo were cited by ARK Invest as crucial competitive advantages. Bearing, despite the continuous drop in Tesla's share price, capital management, one of the company's largest investors, is still optimistic about the business. Barron Capital Management has been a Tesla investor since the company's stock was priced at $40 per share, resulting in approximately $6 billion in profit to date. Barron has maintained a bullish stance on Tesla for a long time, purchasing a stake in the company as early as 2014. Despite criticism, Barron continues to believe in Tesla's potential. Barron disclosed that his company achieved approximately 20 times the returns on its $380 million investment in Tesla, merging his holdings with his client's holdings, since Barron is one of Tesla's biggest stockholders. His whole stake in the company is estimated to be worth about $4 billion. Ron Barron recently told CNBC that he believes Tesla's stock still has a lot of room to grow and that he intends to hold on to the company's shares for at least 8 more years. He also expressed his optimism that Tesla is just getting started and that his investors will see substantial returns in the future. Notably, Barron is also bullish about Tesla's sister company, SpaceX, having added $100 to his holdings in the spaceship company. Do you share Barron's viewpoint on Tesla? If you would want to receive updates on Tesla's latest endeavors, be sure to subscribe to Tesla Stock News on the Sea. Please share your opinions with us below. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you in the upcoming video.